Hi boys and girls, my name is Don Richardson and I'm the maintenance supervisor here with Roanoke City Schools. My main job here is to make sure the building that you go to school in is up and running properly every day. I've got an exciting book to read to you today. It's called The Great Truck Rescue by Jon Scieszka, and it's illustrated by David Shannon, Loren Long, and David Gordon. Cement mixer Melvin worries. Melvin worries, I might get dirty. Melvin worries, I might get stuck. Melvin worries, I might get worried. Wow, says Pete, you're making me worried. Have you ever got worried about something? Maybe you get worried about getting dirty too, like Melvin. Come on, Melvin, says Jack. The bridge isn't finished, but we found a great new way to get across. This worries Melvin even more. Can you see the bridge here? There is no bridge. I can see why Melvin's getting worried. First you roar, says Pete. Pete roars down the hill. Me too, beeps Rita, and Rita roars down the hill. Oh no, says Melvin, I can't try that. Melvin looks really worried right there. Then you soar, yells Pete. Pete soars through the air. Me too, beeps Rita, and Rita soars through the air. Guess what Melvin says? Oh no, says Melvin, I can't try that. Then you splash, says Pete. Pete lands with a splash. Uh-oh, beeps Rita. Rita doesn't quite splash. Oh no, says Melvin, I can't try that. Jack says, come on, Melvin, follow me. And Jack roars. Oh no, Rita slips. Jack soars. Rita slides. Jack splashes. Rita? Wonder what happened to Rita? Oh no, worries Melvin. I can't try any of that. Help! Beeps Rita. Yes, I need help, says Melvin. Help! Help! Beeps Rita. Melvin sees that Rita really needs help, but Jack and Pete are gone. What do y'all think Melvin's going to do? You think Melvin's going to help? I have to save Rita, says Melvin, but I'm worried I can't. Maybe I can. Melvin roars down the hill. Maybe I can try. And Melvin soars through the air. Maybe I can. Oops, Melvin falls. But he gives Rita a push. I can try. 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 Seems like Melvin's helping Rita. Melvin saves Rita with one big splash. Jack and Pete come racing back. Melvin, honks Pete, you did it. You roared. You soared. You really splashed, says Jack. I know, says Melvin. But I think I might still worry. Me too, beeps Rita. And Rita and Melvin slowly drive home. Have you ever been worried like Melvin? Worried to do something? You know, sometimes we just have to say, I think I can. I think I can. Well, boys and girls, you need to go out to a library, get you a book, go to your school, get a book, read to yourself. You can read to your dog. You can read to a cat. You can read to anybody. Go get a book and sit down and read it, and maybe you can think you can. Well, boys and girls, I've had a great time reading to you today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.